Hello, how are you guys? I wanted to talk about hibiscus tea today. So many years back, I went to my son's school. I met two Iranian ladies there. Very kind of them, they told me about hibiscus tea, which they have been using in their family. So they told me that it is very beneficial for high blood pressure. And my mom was visiting me at that time and she had high blood pressure. So I thought, why not try it? I brought a sample of it at home and we tried it. I gave it to my mom and she really felt light after having it. Hibiscus flower is dried. Its leaves, in Arabic they call it karkada. So I bought karkada leaves and I boiled it, kept it in a teapot, and my mom used to have it like morning, evening, and she started feeling better. Her high blood pressure started reducing. And so it became a patent in our house. Sometimes when I would come from outside in the afternoon during summers, I live in Bahrain and it is extremely hot here in Bahrain. Whenever you come from outside in the afternoon, you feel really heavy in the head because of the hot weather. And I used to have that maybe half a glass or something, sometimes full glass. And all of a sudden, a tight band over here that I was feeling would just release. And I would feel much lighter. So now I've Googled and taken out all the benefits. I have written it down and I'm going to read it out, all of those points to you, so that if you want, you can use it. It prevents hypertension, it lowers blood pressure, as I told you, reduces blood sugar levels, keeps liver healthy, helps in keeping it working efficiently, helps in menstrual cramps, helps with depression, aids digestion, helps with weight management. Isn't that nice? It is extremely rich in vitamin C, good for the skin as well, has minerals, has laxative properties. It has vitamin C and antibacterial properties, and it boosts immunity. We can have it from morning to evening anytime. It doesn't have any caffeine. So even if you have it at night, it won't make you stay up. You can still sleep. Reduces blood sugar levels. It has diuretic qualities, which helps pass urine and takes the pressure off your head. So now let's make it and I will show you how to have it. I have boiled the water in the kettle so that I can show you quickly. Just add water as much as you need. So these are the hibiscus leaves and they are all dried. Just take a few and just let it boil. And as you can see, it has already started leaving color. Beautiful color. We used to put it in a teapot and leave it in the fridge, and whenever we needed it, we would just put it in a cup and have it. That way you don't have to boil it every time you need it. Just added some more water because I felt there was not enough water. Just look at the color. Just boil it and then pour it in a cup or in a teapot or wherever you want. Because it's hot, I would not suggest put it in a glass. It might break the glass. You have to cool it down and then you can pour it in a glass. So this much I took, and you can see. Now this is excellent. It has a tart taste. थोड़ा खट्टा खट्टा taste है. If you want, you can add lemon or lime and honey. That is if you don't want it too tart a drink. Look at this color, my God, such a beautiful color. So try it, make it, take benefit from it, and do share your experience with me. Thanks to those ladies, I don't even know their names. Some people come in your life like angels, and they spread positivity, they spread what they have learned, and I am trying to spread it with all of you. Stay healthy and stay fit. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye for now.